You're getting closer. At this point, you're encountering what's known as an off by one error, a frequent problem in zero-based indexing languages like JavaScript. So, honestly, I don't know what that means, but what I do know is that, as the error says, off by one, it would either be uh, the programmer added to an extra one something, or has not added in extra one, or it's short by one, or somewhere around those. So anyways, the first index of your rows array is 0, which is why you start your for loop with I assigned to 0. But repeating a string 0 times results in nothing to print. Okay, to fix this, add 1 to the value of I in your repeat call. Do not assign it back to I like you did in your loop conditions. So let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 by 7. It is missing 1. So I guess it is because of the 0. That is why it is stated that it has printed or it has nothing to print. Maybe it is in here, it has been printed here or here. Hence the off by one error. So, so as it says, repeat with the value of I added by 1. Yeah, so that was the off by 1 error, but we solved it by adding by 1. So this should be 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's now 8 by 8. Nice.